The worst corruption. Ang worst corruption ay ang emotion na ginawa mo, ang universe mo, ang lore mo, ang kwento mo, ang emotion, ang consciousness mo. Ang consciousness mo ay yung mapa ng mundo na iniisip mo. Yung energy, yung dreams, yung lore, yung organic core body mo. Ayun ay possibly a corruption. Your biggest fear inside your head, inside your lore, inside your universe, your own universe, the shadow of it, the enemy doing to yourself, the monster you keep fueling inside you, keep growing inside you, the feeling or resonating with the emotion, the corruption, the awfulness of your emotion is all what made your soul difficult. That's what made your dialogues, your emotion difficult, your inner monsters. It's not just a dog barking to other, but it's something. It's the fear that the possibility can make you feel terrible, creepy, dread, that your emotion is your enemy, that's your fear is your enemy, that's the enemy is the mated emotion you doing. Ang mated na emotion na ginagawa mo, yun ang enemy mo. Bagay na hindi mo matatakasan dahil gawain sa'yo. Ikaw ang gumawa nun at ikaw ang gagawa nun at ikaw ang mag-iisip sa meaning nun. At that's the consciousness That's the consciousness fears. The fears of existence itself. The fear of losing something. The fear of thinking being an enemy. Thinking awful. Thinking bad. That's the fear of your own consciousness. You made everything. You made negative, positive. You did the possible to happen inside you. But it just creating negative meaning for your subconscious, for your possible fears and and emotions of suffering. I don't know. I think your emotion is it's it's part of existence. Your emotion is it's the suffering and it's the consciousness itself, and you really want to be the most terrible or awful version of your reality. Well, it's always your decision. I'm just saying, the enemy here is the corruption of mind, the fight, the meaning you're doing, the experience that betrays you, the experience of the mirror of your own fear. It's the consciousness itself, and until may consciousness, laging may kalaban. Pag may light, laging may darkness. At kapag nilaman ka ng darkness, wala ka nang magagawa. It's your life. Adapt. Change yourself. It's all about fighting. It's all about you and your feelings. Yun ang gusto ko sabihin.